Rachel from Slipstick. Our new Gorilla Outdoor Range is weatherproof and the perfect way to slide furniture and protect your deck or patio. These small round protectors come in 3 other sizes, up to 2 inches or 50 millimeters. They all fit round and square legs. The Marine Grade Berber protects decks and slides smoothly, and the UV-resistant super grippy sidewalls stretch easily. They simply go over the furniture leg and stay on, small or large. Does your composite deck get damaged from your hard furniture feet? Easy to install Gorilla Outdoor protectors install in seconds. Deck is now shielded from scratches and furniture is easy to move without the noise. All Slipstick Gorilla Outdoor products are backed by our 1-year warranty.